Which running shoe is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the right answer. Today, we'll break down the top 5 best running shoes for men to help you find your perfect fit. Product number 1, slip-on casual sneakers. First up, we have the men's running shoes slip-on tennis walking sneakers. Priced at just $23.37, this budget-friendly option caught my attention with its casual style and easy slip-on design. If you're after something convenient for light workouts or casual outings, this is worth a serious look. Now, why should you consider these? For starters, their lightweight build means you won't feel weighed down during your runs. They're perfect for those quick trips to the gym or even just casual walks around the block. The slip-on feature is a game changer if you're always on the go, allowing you to get ready in a flash. Plus, the design makes them versatile enough for both athletic and casual wear, which is great if you want a multi-purpose shoe. However, I did see some complaints about the lack of arch support. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning on doing serious long-distance running, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for light activities or those who prioritize comfort over performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-wear sneaker for casual outings. Skip this one if you need serious support for longer runs or workouts. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this option. Now, if the casual style of the first shoe doesn't quite fit your needs, the next one brings a whole new level of performance to the table. Product number 2, Brooks Ghost 16 GTX. Next, let's talk about the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 GTX waterproof neutral running shoe. At $139, this shoe may be a bit pricier, but it's designed for serious runners who want a reliable companion. If you're looking for a shoe that can handle wet conditions without losing comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The waterproof Gore-Tex upper keeps your feet dry during those unexpected rain showers, so you can run without worrying about soggy socks. The cushioning is plush yet responsive, making each step feel effortless as you tackle both the pavement and trails. And with over 200 units sold in the past month, it's clear that others are finding value in this shoe too. Now, some people mentioned that the shoe felt a bit heavy compared to lighter models. But honestly, if you're focused on stability and support, that added weight is often a trade-off worth considering for comfort. This is perfect for you if you're an avid runner who often encounters unpredictable weather. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight options for speed training. Considering the quality, the investment in this shoe could really pay off in performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more natural running feel. Product number 3, WHITIN Zero Drop Shoes. Coming in at number 3, we have the WHITIN Men's Zero Drop Running Shoes with a wide toe box, priced at $55.60. If you're someone who enjoys a minimalist approach to running, this is definitely worth a serious look. Why is this important? The zero-drop design allows your feet to be positioned in a more natural way, which many people find reduces strain on their joints during long runs. The wide toe box gives your toes plenty of room to splay, offering comfort that many traditional running shoes just can't match. Plus, it's well rated with over 200 sold recently, which shows it's resonating with those who prioritize comfort. However, some users noted that the lack of cushioning can be harsh for those who are used to more support. But here's the thing. If you're transitioning to a more natural running style, some discomfort is normal as your feet adjust. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your running form and prefer a minimalist feel. Skip this one if you have a history of injury and need more cushioning. For the price, it's a solid choice for those wanting to explore a different running experience. Now, if you want a balance of cushioning and performance, the next shoe is a great option. Product number 4, ASICS Gel Excite 11. Next up is the ASICS Men's Gel Excite 11 running shoes, priced at $94.75. This shoe caught my attention with its blend of comfort and performance features. If you're looking for a reliable shoe that balances support and responsiveness, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The FF Blast Plus cushioning offers cloud-like comfort while still being responsive, which means you can push through those longer runs without feeling exhausted. The updated Pure Gel technology is 65% softer than standard versions, which means less impact on your joints. With over 100 sold recently, it's clear that many runners appreciate the comfort it provides. Now some might find the fit a bit narrow, which can be uncomfortable if you have wider feet. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a snug fit for better control during your run, this might actually be beneficial. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable shoe for everyday runs. Skip this one if you have wide feet or prefer a looser fit. Overall, it's a great shoe that balances comfort and performance without breaking the bank. Finally, if you're looking for something that's designed specifically for performance, our last entry might just be the right one for you. Product number 5, Brooks Anthem 7. Last but not least, we have the Brooks Men's Anthem 7 neutral running shoe priced at $107.39. This shoe is designed as a great introduction to performance running. If you want a shoe that combines comfort and flexibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's what makes it special. The DNA midsole cushioning is designed to decrease pressure on your feet, making your runs feel effortless. The breathable upper ensures your feet stay cool during those longer distances. Plus, the segmented crash pad allows for smooth transitions during your run, which is perfect if you're looking to improve your pace. With over 100 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice for runners. However, a few users mentioned that the shoe might not be durable enough for heavy mileage. Now, while that's something to keep in mind, if you're a casual runner or just starting out, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable shoe to get into running. Skip this one if you're an experienced runner planning to log heavy miles. For the quality and comfort, it offers great value for your money. So to wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic options. The slip-on casual sneakers for those seeking convenience, Brooks Ghost 16 GTX for wet weather runners, WHITIN Zero Drop for minimalist lovers, ASICS Gel Excite 11 for a balance of comfort, and Brooks Anthem 7 for performance newcomers. Each shoe offers something unique, so it really comes down to what you need. Happy running!